There could be several reasons why an engine won't start or is hard to start. Here are some common causes. Dead battery. A weak or dead battery can prevent the engine from starting. If you hear a clicking or ticking sound when you turn the key, it's likely that the battery is low. Faulty starter. If the battery is good, but the engine still won't start, the starter motor may be faulty. The starter motor is responsible for cranking the engine, and if it fails, the engine won't start. Fuel delivery problems. Fuel delivery issues can cause the engine to crank, but not start. This can be due to a clogged fuel filter, a faulty fuel pump, or a problem with the fuel injectors. Ignition system problems. A faulty ignition system can prevent the engine from starting. If the engine cranks but won't start, the issue could be related to the ignition system, such as a bad spark plug, ignition coil, or distributor. Timing belt or chain. If the timing belt or chain has slipped or broken, the engine won't start. This is a more serious problem that can cause damage to the engine. Sensor failure. There are several sensors in the engine that can cause the engine not to start, such as the crankshaft position sensor or the camshaft position sensor. Please note that these are common causes, and there could be other factors contributing to the issue as well. It is recommended to consult a professional mechanic for an accurate diagnosis and proper repair. If you like this type of content, consider subscribing to Viosified.